Hi, my name is Will, and welcome to my channel. I've lived in 7 countries in 5 years, and yes, I am still traveling. I'm currently in the country of Suriname, and I'm at the Bokopondo Dam. And I'm sure you're wondering, what am I doing here? Well, you know what? We're going fishing! So come along with us, and let's see what kind of fish we're going to catch. Fish on! And it's tough. On our way to our fishing spot, we stopped at one of the last stores in a small village. And I asked, what do the people do here so far out from kind of civilization, especially the men? And they said, what the men do here, they're all gold miners. So this is an old traditional style gold mining community. Okay, guys, we just arrived at our boat. It's not the kind of boat I really thought we were taking, but you know, I guess we're just gonna have to make it work. Because look, it's a Piranha, it's a wooden boat. What's important? Catching fish, right? They're loading the hook, so let's get this party started. I'm getting my first piece of bait. Technique. That was a good one. Fish on! And it's tough. Oh, yes! Another piranha. Woohoo! Can't put your hands near it because they bite. Okay, this is a piranha. Look at it. Check out those teeth. It's amazing. They're super sharp. It's gonna be good food tonight. Yeah. After a long day of fishing, what are we gonna do next? We're gonna take a swim. Piranhas be damned. We don't care, we're going in the water. Good morning, guys. Yesterday, fishing was an absolute blast. But today, the dirty work must begin. It's time to clean the fish. But before we do that, I want to describe to you what type of fish we caught. And what we have here is we have 2 types of piranha. We have a black piranha and we have the red piranha. And check out the teeth on these guys. Okay, so I'm about to start gutting the fish, but I'm not gonna bore you with that detail because the best part is yet to come. This is a black piranha. This is the eggs. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try it. Squeeze a little lime, do it the old-fashioned way. Not bad. I guess this is gonna be the new caviar. Really good. Hey guys, it's just a quick side note. One thing I want to draw attention to the amount of water this country receives. And just to be sustainable, it would be amazing if we could capture this amount of water everywhere we go. And then you wouldn't have to worry about being connected to pipes and all those other things. You can live your life with just Mother Nature gives. It would be amazing. Enough with the philosophy. Arrête. We're done with that. Now it's time to cook and really get into it. I want to introduce you to my buddy Max. You all remember him from before. The model, the influencer from Suriname, Max.
What's up, people? How's it going? Welcome back to the Conscious Traveler Kitchen. Hey,
yeah, he's in the kitchen now. So what we're gonna do together is I'm gonna ask Max. I caught piranha yesterday because we went fishing. I don't know if you know that, but I'm telling you now. And we have the fish here, so I want you to teach me how to do a Surinamese flair on this fish.
Well, I mean, let's get into it right away.
Okay.
There's a ton of ways how you can actually prepare your piranha fish. We have some fresh fish here, so it's ready to make. We're going to do it in our own style, but the Surinamese style, and I'll be helping Will on the way. So let's do this.
What we're gonna do to actually marinate this fish? What ingredients are we adding?
We have some fresh ingredients here, some bell pepper, some garlic, white onions, we have jeera, and some masala.
In every country I visit, I always like to infuse my food with the essence of the country. And my buddy Max has explained to me all the best things to put in this fish, so that's exactly what we're gonna do for this fish today. First and foremost, what we want to do is we wanna slice the fish to make sure that we not only season the outside, but the inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some slices on the fish, just like this, to make sure all the spices and the seasonings get into the flesh of the fish. What we do is we're gonna barbecue the fish. Yes. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we want to put down some aluminum foil. So we can wrap it up. I'm gonna do one more. Two. Like that. Right there. But first, one very important point for everyone out there. I know you want to wrap your fish, but what's important is you need to take the two pieces, meet the edges together, do a couple folds. It's very important. That way your barbecue does not leak, and that's a point from me to you, and I hope you do it because it's important.
So this is the garlic.
How about we jam it in the hole?
Yes, we will bring it right in there, and also the ginger. That's really important.
Yeah. You lay it there, I'll stuff it. How about that?
All in there.
We're gonna do one side first, and then we do the other side. Some more ingredients. Let's keep going. Yes, we do with that too. Let's jam it on one side. A little bit. See, a pinch and a pinch. Then we take the bad boy, flip it over, and do the same thing on the other side. Jam all those good things into each crack, so that you get lots of flavor throughout the whole fish. Evenly distribute it to everything, and always don't forget to also jam some in the head and in the cavity also too. Put it all inside because that's the good stuff. And then at the end, you finish it off by doing the seasoning at the end and finish it off. Salt. So let's put some on this bad boy to make sure it tastes real good. Okay. Last ingredient, we drizzle a little oil on it before we close it up, because that's going to allow the moisture and all that goodness to just cook inside.
Other side.
Yes, go ahead. Thank you. Okay, and Max, I'm going to give you the honor of sealing the package. Hold it up.
That's the right way.
Oh, it's good. There you go. Very good. Perfecto. Hey, it's fire time. I think the grill is just about ready, so we're gonna put the fish in its place. Close the top, and let's wait for deliciousness. Hey, you guys, the fish is all done. I brought it into the house so that we can open it and do the grand reveal. So here we go. Look at that. Look at that. It's so delicious. It's so flaky and so tender. That's a piranha for you. Normally, guys, this is the point when I tell you to do the subscribe, to like, and to add comments. But you know what? Don't worry about none of that because you know what? I'm hungry. I want to eat.
I'm super hungry too, but please guys, don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe. Go.